Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you my favorite St. Patrick's Day nail art design step-by-step guide. Forget those boring green shirts and have some fun this St. Patrick's Day with this rainbow and clover nail art design step-by-step guide. You should have to follow step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a green and nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, draw a diagonal across each of your nails except for the ring finger. Fill in the left side of the diagonal with the white polish. Step number 3 is using a thin nail art brush and pink nail polish, draw another diagonal along the outside of the first one. This is the beginning of the rainbow. Step number 4. Repeat this using the colors yellow, green and blue. The blue will be the smallest arc using a nail art brush and a gold glitter nail polish. Outline your rainbow along the outer edge next to the pink arc. Step number 5. Using a nail art brush and a dark green nail polish, draw 4 heart-shaped leaves stemming from a central point on your ring finger nails. These will be a 4-leaf clover. Step number 6. Using a nail art brush and a green nail polish, draw a triangle space at the bottom for leaf clover for the stem. Step number 7. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful St. Patrick nail art design is ready for the day. If you have any query, please let me comment below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends and family member. Thank you very much for watching my video, and in advance, happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye. Take care.